Hey everybody, I'm Bobbie Camacho, Signature Real Estate Group. Welcome to Living in Las Vegas. Today we're going to be going over what it means to co-sign for somebody and the pros and cons for that. And the perfect person to go over that with us is Shelly Panzarella from Prosperity Lending. Hi, Shelly.
Hi, Bobbie. How are you?
I'm doing good. This is a great conversation to have with everybody because some people do co-sign for others or they're thinking about it and they're not sure how it's going to end up and when they purchase a home. So can you go over that a little bit?
So there are pros and cons of co-signing. Ultimately, what that means is that you're assisting somebody in financing something, whether it's a car, we've got credit cards, or even a home. One of the cons that everybody thinks about is the fact that it would affect your credit because you would be jumping on that loan with them. We do actually pull credit. You are part of a mortgage or that loan, whatever it may be. The other part would be the actual payment on that. So that could affect your qualifying aspect of it, meaning your debt to income ratio. Specific to mortgages, the pro, if you do decide to co-sign for, say, a mortgage or even a car or another debt, if we can show that the person that you co-signed with actually makes the payments directly to the bank for 12 months consecutively, we can actually remove or what we call omit that debt from your debt to income ratio, allowing you to qualify for more. Now, if you were looking to buy a home in that 12-month period, then I would definitely say you want to think twice about co-signing for a home. But if buying a home or some other debt is going to be a long-term goal for you, and it would be something that you could show the history of this 12-month payment that you've co-signed for, we can actually remove that debt or omit that debt from your qualifying aspect.
And that's perfect because a lot of my clients co-sign for a car. So they don't know that they have to wait the 12 months just to make sure that those payments are made. Now, for me personally, I co-signed for my son and he was able to purchase a condo through you, Shelly. And I just was asking that question, does it work on a house or a mortgage? And then you were saying, yes, it works on almost anything.
Yeah. So in your example, if you decided, because your son's been in his home for over a year now and he's made his payments on time for the last 12 months. So if you decided that you wanted to buy a house, we actually wouldn't count his payment, his mortgage payment against your debt to income ratio. We would have to show that he's made the 12 months payments, right, by canceled checks or the electronic aspect of it. But it allows you to qualify as though you didn't have that other mortgage on your credit.
And that's a good point because sometimes people will have the person buying the car make the payment to them and then they make the payment to the car dealer or the loan processor. So it can't work that way, correct?
That is correct. Yeah, you definitely want to make sure that it is set up that it goes directly to the bank, and you also want to make sure that you're not sending those funds from an account that might be joint, right? So, one of the biggest concerns in co-signing is you want to make sure that the person you're co-signing for is going to make those payments because you are technically liable for those payments if they do not. And so obviously you want to have a good relationship with that person to ensure that they are making those payments, not that they're just making them, but they're making them timely because it will affect your credit as well.
Got it. That's great information. I hope you guys got something out of that. If you have any questions regarding this, reach out to Shelly. She'll be able to help you, and everybody's situation is different, so she'll be able to go over that with you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us, text us, email us, hit the subscribe button, share this information with those that need it, and we're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a great day.